Yeah, very tired.
Didn't I say you look like you're poorly or something?
Yeah. Oh, that was our thing. It's a dud.
Oh, Mum, take it back.
Oh, cheek.
You need some money back for that one. Let me see it.
I think
No.
because it might be sparks.
It's a dud.
That's
Take it back,
not very good, is it?
No.
Get a couple of pounds
each.
back.
Get a pound back for that, yeah.
Pound each,
Take it
yeah.
back.
Take it back and get another one for November the 7th.
You won't believe it, though. The police say you just pulled it off. You can't. Does it?
Down.
I don't think they would. Well, that one was crap.
Oh, that was different.
Oh, that's different.
That was like
What
worms.
was the rubbish one? What is?
Have a look on the floor. Is there a taper?
What?
A little piece of string that should be in the end of it.
Oh, no.
Pull it off.
It's nothing but
string,
just
no.
eggs.
What a Vic. Can we not like just set fire to this bit?
Is this our last one?
You know what we could build a fire, throw it in.
No.
Is this our last one for our fireworks?
Yeah.
Sean, this is the last one. You're coming out. It's the very last one. Look, the very last one, yeah.
We might want to close your ears because they are quite loud.
Didn't work. Go with mummy. Stand there.
Dud.
Look, last one.
Right, close your ears because it's quite loud. Hey!
Hey, Charlotte, watch the rocket.
Hey!
Give Charlotte a clap. Yay.
I can't really clap because I'm holding
Charlotte, do you
the
want this
camera.
rocket? It's a dud. Which means it didn't work.
Hey!
Is that it?
It's got stuck in this.
Oh, yeah, it's there.
Is that all it for
I
fireworks?
didn't know there might be. I think
Oh,
he's
I
found
might
it.
be able to.
He's found a dud one.
Possibly, or it might
Damn
just
it.
blow up in our faces.
Hey, should we like tie something
Just
to
give
it?
it.
I was going to tie a little note to it or something. Tie Lally to it. Boom. Can you imagine? Zachary tie Lally to it.
Right, that was last one, but this is the very last
This is the
one.
very, very last one. Close your ears. Zachary, you're not scared.
I can close one ear, but I can't close two.
Oh, different one again then.
Look, Mum, look at him closing one ear.
Let's
Zachary
go. Hey!
Zachary closing one ear. It's like this.
Now I have to do some work today. I have to do some work at your house. Great.
Okay.
For me farting, burping and slurping. Hey.
Is that all of them? Was it worth
Tapers and
Was it worth £22?
Well, they never are, are they? It is for kids to like them.
Well, that was the end. I hope you like it. See you next time.